So I just wanted to jump on here and give you all an update about my civil case against Alex Belfield. Now, Belfield has been making the headlines again this week after the BBC apologised for their handling of staff welfare in the Belfield case. I started a civil case against Belfield 2.5 years ago for harassment after he posted videos about me being HIV positive. This was during his trial for stalking myself, Jeremy Vine, Ben Hewis and Bernie Keith, in which he received a 5.5-year prison sentence. It has taken this long, but today I am finally issuing the papers against Alex Belfield, and he will be served them later this week. I'm not going to lie, this whole experience has been horrendous, and I started this claim because I just wanted an apology and acknowledgement from Belfield about what he did to me. He'd already settled a claim against Jeremy Vine and one against DC Percival from Nottingham Police, but refused to settle my claim. Part of the reason I'm making this video today is out of gratitude and thanks to all the people that donated to my early crowdfunder to raise some of the money towards my legal costs. I was able to raise £1,712, which went towards my legal fees, which I have said when I win them back, I will donate that amount of money to HIV charities. In the meantime, it's actually cost me over £17,000 in legal costs. And on top of that, it has cost over £4,000 just to submit the claim today. That is £22,000 that I have had to raise in legal costs over the past 2 years. And I've done the majority of that on my own. Before Belfield began to stalk me, I was running a successful YouTube channel of my own and a theatre blog, with the potential to make money from it and a career. That was all taken away from me by Belfield, as well as the emotional impact that the whole experience had on me as well. It took me a long time to build myself back up. I received counselling and support, which has helped me get back on my feet. And thanks to the Terence Higgins Trust, I am now part of a scheme called Positive Voices. I began as a volunteer, going into schools and organisations, talking about my experience as somebody living with HIV. They've now offered me a seasonal contract to do that as paid work. This will help me to pay back the debt that I have incurred by pursuing this legal claim. The problem I faced was that the further I got into it, the more I stood to lose. Even if I walk away today, I will lose over £20,000 of my own money. Belfield knows this, and this is why he is digging his heels in and refuses to settle or negotiate with me. Belfield hoped that I would drop the case, thinking that I wouldn't have the strength or the money to carry on. But he backed the wrong horse. I am committed to seeing this through, to getting that money back, as well as an apology and acknowledgement, and to be able to pay forward all those donations that I was grateful to receive. Belfield will now have 14 days to file an acknowledgement of service, and then a further 14 days to prepare a defence. So hopefully in a month's time we'll have a better idea and a better understanding of how this is going to move forward. Until then, that's all I can say about it. Thank you for watching.